GrowthLoop allows you to get super custom and granular with the kind of journey schedule that you want to set. And so a few options, you can go for a one-time journey. So you say, I just want to hit publish, run it just that one time, or you can schedule that one-time run for some time in the future. You can set an always-on journey. So if you want this to constantly be reevaluating, constantly pushing folks through to the next step in their journey, you can set it to always on. Recurring scheduled, maybe you want to run it only on certain days of the week, you can go ahead and set a recurring scheduled journey. Or, and this is the option we're going to use today, you can choose manual mode. Manual mode essentially allows for maximum control. So whereas the other options are very automated, manual mode is going to allow you to step through each individual node in that journey and manually execute each one. So it's giving you that maximum control over how users are progressing through the journey. The reason I want manual mode here is because my journey is supposed to take at least 5 days, and I don't have 5 days with you all. So I'm just going to go ahead and run a few nodes so that you can see what it looks like once you publish a journey and how folks progress through it. But in this case, again, remember, I am in manual mode, so I can go ahead and run all of these nodes individually. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go through this product propensity node here. I'm just going to say run until this node. So process the entry node, so who's coming into this audience, as well as this criteria node, so who's going into which bucket. So I can go ahead and press run until this node. We'll give that just a second, right? So you can see here that my entry node kicked off processing, and I'm starting to see counts pull up. So my counts are going to let me know how many folks are currently in a step and how many all time have actually completed that step. So we'll give it just a minute. All right, awesome. So you can see here that about 175,000 people were eligible for my entry node. So 175,000 folks are going to pass through this journey right now. And you can see that now this product propensity node is in the processing stage. So I've got about 175,000 people currently being evaluated to see which of these 3 buckets they fall into. All right. And you can see that now it's finished evaluating. So we've got 19,000 folks in my apparel group, 15,000 in my pets group, and about 137,000 folks who don't qualify for this journey because they have a different product propensity. And if I wanted, like I said, I could go ahead, I could keep going through executing each of these nodes, either individually or in groups. But for today, I'm going to call it here just for the sake of time.